She leaned over at the end of the meeting after saying there's no possible way we'll ever outsource our billing. We ended the meeting with, I really need to get you in to a physician board meeting. Because I think they're going to want to hear what you have to say.
And I bet you were shocked, Jason. I bet you almost had a heart attack when you were like, just out of curiosity, does it make sense for us to do an analysis? And she was like, yes, and we really need to get you in front of, I bet you were like, oh my goodness, I didn't think they were going to say that.
I used them as just kind of a jumping stone to practice on.
You were in the batting cages. You were just going to get some swings. Yeah, okay, so this brings up this brings up something huge, okay? And this is where you're on the precipice of like going from, and I don't want to say amateur because I know how much money you make, Jason. You're crushing it, you're killing it. But this is where we go from amateur to elite professional, is when you can put all of the emotion off to the side, when you can stop thinking about deals, when you could start worrying about deals, when you could stop obsessing about deals. I saw a quote, you know, because there's all those quotes going around social media. It was like Kobe Bryant, and he was talking about worrying, about obsessing, about fear of failure, and he's like, you're going to succeed or you're going to fail, regardless of whether or not you stress out about it, think about it. Guess what? You're not going to succeed all the time. Nope. But you're not going to fail all the time either. I'm paraphrasing Kobe. He said it much more eloquently with a much sexier, deeper voice than I'll ever have. But his point really hit home when I saw that last night. And it's interesting you say that, because I'm like, it's just wasted time, us thinking this deal's going to close. It's also, or not close. It's also wasted time, us thinking this deal is going to close. What we need to do, and what you just did there, you were doing it for practice, but what you were doing was, I'm just going to trust the process. I'm going to follow the process. That same swing that you have in practice should be your same swing all the time. So I want you to approach everything like that now, Jason, and just be like, I don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care. Am I asking you to not care about your job? Absolutely not. I'm asking you to stop caring about the outcome and just go, this is the play that I'm running, these are the questions that I'm asking, and this is my process. And these people are going to go through my process, because you're going to find that this happens all the time, that we get shocked at how close the deal was. I love that story. I love that story. Thank you.